criteria Cognitive Aptitude Test, CCAT, is one of the most widely used pre-employment aptitude tests, especially for roles that require problem-solving, critical thinking, and the ability to learn quickly on the job. It is used by companies to evaluate a candidate's general cognitive ability in just 15 minutes. The CCAT is fast-paced and challenging, consisting of 50 questions to be completed in 15 minutes, and covers a mix of topics designed to test your brain power, not just your job experience. Here are the main types of questions you will see on CCAT. Numerical reasoning. Solve math problems including arithmetic, percentages, ratios, and word problems. Logical reasoning, which includes spotting patterns, drawing logical conclusions, and solving puzzle-style problems. Abstract reasoning, where you need to analyze sequences of shapes and patterns to find what comes next. Verbal reasoning, where you understand word meanings, spot relationships between words, and evaluate written information. Spatial reasoning, where you visualize objects in 3D space, rotate shapes, and find matches. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Vadim Michalenko. I hold MBA and Master's degree in Computer Science. I have worked in the information technology field for over 20 years, and I've spent more than 15 years teaching people how to succeed in their careers. I have created online training for everyone and the website howtoanalyzedata.net to help people like you pass interviews and assessment tests and get hired for their dream jobs. In this video, I'll walk you through most common types of questions you might see on CCAT tests, including logical, numerical, and abstract reasoning questions. I will also share with you answers, solutions, and explanations to improve your chances of passing the test. The questions are shown in random order, so I recommend watching the whole video to practice and learn as much as possible. Many people have passed their tests after watching videos like this, and I hope it helps you too. Before we start, click the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. If you have any questions, leave them in comments. I reply to every message I get. Now let's get started. 4 images look similar, but one is an exact copy of the original. Which one? A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is choice B, and here's why. If you compare the large circles, small circles, diamonds, and inside diamond lines, you will find the perfect match. A digital clock shows 3:15. Which analog clock represents this time correctly? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is choice D, and here's why. The hour hand should be slightly past 3, and the minute hand should be exactly at 3, showing 15 minutes. Sarah is taller than Mike, but shorter than Jacob. Mike is taller than Daniel. Who is the tallest? A, Sarah, B, Mike, C, Jacob, and D, Daniel. The correct answer is C, Jacob, and here's why. The correct order of the height is Jacob, Sarah, Mike, and Daniel. Since Jacob is at the top, he is the tallest. If a company increases the price of the product, what is the most likely consequence? A, demand will increase. B, demand will decrease. C, customers will buy more. D, the product will become cheaper. Correct answer is B, demand will decrease. And here's why. According to the law of supply and demand, if prices go up, demand usually decreases unless the product is a necessity or has no alternatives. What is the missing number in the sequence? 3, 6, 12, 24, missing number, and then 96. Choice A, 36. Choice B, 48. Choice C, 50. And choice D, 60. The correct answer is choice B, 48, and here's why. Each number in the sequence doubles the previous one. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. 12 by 2 equals 24. 24 by 2, 48, and 48 by 2 is 96. Tom is ranked 7th from the top and 9th from the bottom in the class. How many students are there? A, 15, B, 16, C, 17, D, 18. The correct answer is choice A, 15. And here's why. Total students equals top rank minus 1 in parentheses plus bottom rank, which equals 6 plus 9 and equals 15. Find the missing letter in the sequence. B, D, F, H, and then comes the missing letter, which you need to select out of 4 possible choices. A, I, B, J, C, K, and D, L. The correct answer is choice B, J. And here's why. The letters are skipping one alphabet each time. B, then C skipped. D, then E skipped. F, then G skipped. H, and then I skipped. And the last one is J. A series of shapes follows a pattern. Which shape should come next? A, square. B, triangle. C, pentagon. D, hexagon. The correct answer is choice D, hexagon. And here's why. The shapes increase in sides. Triangle has 3 sides, square 4, pentagon 5, and hexagon has 6 sides. Find the one shape that does not belong. A square inside the square. B, a triangle inside the square. C, a hexagon inside a hexagon. And D, a pentagon inside a pentagon. The correct answer is choice B, a triangle inside a square. And here's why. All other shapes match their outer shape, and the triangle inside a square is the odd one. Which one of the following 4 objects represent the correct mirror reflection of the given shape? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice A, and here's why. The shape color pattern and shape reflection stay the same only in this choice after the reflection. You're presented with 3 by 3 grid. 2, 4, 8, 3, 6, missing number, 4, 8, 16. Which number should replace the question mark? Choice A, 9, B, 12, C, 18, D, 15. The correct answer is choice B, 12, and here's why. Each number is the double of the previous row. Which of the following flat nets can fold into a cube? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice A, and here's why. Only this choice allows folding into 3D cube. Which of the puzzle combinations fit correctly? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice D, and here's why. It matches edges, colors, and provides shape continuity to make a perfect fit. If you move the highlighted shape 1 square up, 2 right, 1 down, and 3 left on the 5 by 5 grid, where would you end up? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice B, and here's why. Let's make sure you track the movement. 1 up, 2 right, 1 down, and 3 left. A cube is painted on all 6 sides. If it is then cut into 27 equal smaller cubes, how many of those cubes will have exactly 3 red faces? Choice A, 6, choice B, 8, choice C, 12, and choice D, 24. The correct answer is choice B, 8, and here's why. The cubes with 3 red faces are at the 8 corners of the original cube. If it rains, then the ground will be wet. It is not raining. What can be concluded? A. The ground is not wet. B. The ground is wet. C. Nothing can be concluded. D. It is cloudy. Correct answer is C. Nothing can be concluded. And here's why. The statement only guarantees wet ground if it rains, but other factors like sprinklers could also make the ground wet. Dog is to bark as cat is to A. Roar, B. Hiss, C. Meow, and D. Growl. The correct answer is choice C. Meow. A dog barks and a cat meows. Which of the following does not belong? A. Apple, B. Banana, C. Carrot, and D. Mango. The correct answer is choice C. Carrot. And here's why. Carrot is a vegetable, while the others are fruits. A farmer has 17 sheep. All but 9 ran away. How many are left? A. 0, B. 8, C. 9, D. 17. The correct answer here is choice C. 9. All but 9 means that 9 remain. You're presented with the sequence of shapes. Can you determine which one comes next? Choices are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer here is choice D, and here's why. With each step in the sequence, the shape rotates an additional 45 degrees clockwise. Can you determine how many triangles are in this complex shape? Choice A, 10, choice B, 14, choice C, 12, and choice D, 8. The correct answer here is choice C, 12. Let me count them all for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. If you fold a piece of paper twice and then cut highlighted areas, which shape will appear when you unfold the paper back? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice A, and here's why. Folding a piece of paper in half creates symmetry. When you make cuts and then unfold it, it creates a repeated pattern. Which shape has the highest number of lines of symmetry? A. Circle, B. Square, C. Hexagon, or D. Triangle? The correct answer is choice A. Circle, and here's why. A circle has infinite lines of symmetry, making it the most symmetrical shape, where square has 4 lines of symmetry, a regular hexagon has 6, and an equilateral triangle has 3, which means that the circle surpasses all of these polygons in terms of symmetry. Which 2D shadow matches the cube shape based on the direction of the light? Your choices for the answers are choices A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice C, and here's why. Shape C appears as the shadow of the cube, influenced by the angle of the light and perspective distortion. Which of the choices represents a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation of the original object? Your choices for the answers are choices A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice A, and here's why. The other shapes are either rotated at different angles or in the opposite direction. But here's the caveat. When rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise, the outer square of the original shape remains unchanged. Out of 4 images of the sun and sea surface, 3 are distorted and 1 is real. Can you identify the real one? The correct answer is choice C, and here's why. When the sun is directly overhead, its light reflects straight down onto the sea surface, creating a bright and natural reflection. Can you spot the hidden 1-digit number among the pencils in the picture? Your choices for the answers are choice A, 4, B, 3, C, 7, and D, 11. The correct answer is choice A, 4, and here's why. 3 pencil at the bottom right area of the picture form number 4. The drawing of the house includes an unusual feature. What is it? Your choices for the answers are choices A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice A, and here's why. This option shows a house with 2 chimneys, which is uncommon but not impossible. Which of the 4 roads should the car take to reach the point B fastest? Road 1, Road 2, 3, or Road 4? The correct answer is Road 3, and here's why. Road 3 is the best choice because it's the straight line, and it provides the shortest and the most direct path to point B, minimizing travel time. If the top part of the shape is removed, what will the standard form will look like? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice D, and here's why. You need to consider shape symmetry or any distinctive features that could help you infer the missing upper part. Often, the shape's overall form, proportions, or pattern can guide you in predicting what the top half might look like. The speed limit is 80 miles per hour. How many miles per hour should the speed be reduced by to reach the speed limit? A. 15 miles per hour, B. 30 miles per hour, C. 20 miles per hour, or D. 40 miles per hour. The correct answer is choice C, 20 miles per hour. And here's why. The current speed is 100 miles per hour, and the speed limit is 80. To reach the speed limit, you need to slow down by 100 minus 80, which is 20 miles per hour. Each clock presented below chimes once for each hour. How many chimes would you hear in total? A. 8, B. 9, C. 5, or D. 10? The correct answer is choice B, 9, and here's why. Each clock chimes according to the hours displayed. First clock shows 1 o'clock, second 5 o'clock, and the third 3 o'clock. 1 plus 5 plus 3 equals 9. Based on the image of the battery, how much more charge is needed to reach 100%? A. 35%, B. 75%, C. 50%, or D. 25%? The correct answer is choice D, 25%, and here's why. The battery symbol is broken down into 4 equal parts, which represent 0, 25%, 50%, and 75%. Since the battery currently is at 75% mark, 25% charge is needed to reach full 100%. The pool can hold a total of 80 balls. Darker circles in a picture represent balls, and gray circles represent empty spots. How many balls are currently in the pool? A. 40, B. 80, C. 20, or D. 60? The correct answer is A. 40, and here's why. Take a close look at the pool picture. The pool is marked with 3 levels, 0, 50, and 100. 50% of the total capacity is already filled with balls. Since the pool can hold 80 balls and 50% is already filled, there are currently 40 balls presented in the picture. Which option represents the fraction of 5/8? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is choice A, and here's why. The circle is divided into 8 equal sections. Out of these 8 sections, 5 are shaded in darker color. Choice A shows the fraction of 5/8, where the dark section represents the full part of the whole circle that is filled. Which shape comes next? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is choice D, and here's why. The number of vertical lines increases by 1, while the number of horizontal lines decreases by 1. Which of these shapes is an odd one out? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is choice D, and here's why. It's the only shape where the inner shape does not have 4 sides. Which of the following shapes can be folded into a pyramid? Your choices for the answers are A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is choice A, and here's why. A pyramid with the square base and triangular sides can be folded into a 3D shape. When you fold the triangles up around the square base, they meet at the point forming a pyramid. And this is the typical structure of the pyramid with the square base.
Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.